What's going on, people? I'm doing all right out here walking in this sun. Give me some exercise so I can burn off some fat around my stomach, because I don't like looking 5-6 months pregnant. You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna show y'all how to make the best ramen noodles. A lot of y'all make it the old way. Y'all just boil the water, throw the noodles in the pot, and that's it. And then some of y'all use the whole seasoning pack. We're not gonna do it that way at all. Let's go. All right, y'all, we got everything prepped up. Like I showed y'all, we got some green beans, French style. We got some garlic, supposedly good for your bones. Now we gotta go up here to the Quick Trip and add some more stuff to it. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, we're getting close to the Quick Trip. So what I'm gonna do is go in here. Quick Trip and Racetrack got some of the hottest water, man. I'm talking about like 250 degrees. So we're gonna use this hot water to pour it into the bowl and pull some of the starch off of the ramen noodles. And then come back with a little bit more water so it can cook properly. And then we're gonna add some of their vegetables to it, because when you out in the hot sun, man, you want to get some of that structured water, man, from vegetables and fruit. Supposedly it has H3O, H230, something like that, inside of fruits and vegetables that is packed with vitamins and minerals. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, we out of here. Like I say, we just made the world's most best famous Ramen Noodle Bowl. You got like 3-4 different types of vegetables. You got your garlic. You got to keep that stuff in your body, man, in the summertime, man, when you out here walking, or really just period. It ain't got to be summertime. Keep it in your body, because a lot of those things are loaded with structured water. You know, not regular water that we get at the faucet or buy in a bottle at the store or at the store. Structured water packed with vitamins and minerals. You know what I'm saying? That particular quick trip I just left, those some pretty cool cats, man. They normally let me come in there and get free vegetables. Every now and then they'll give me a free cup of coffee. You know, they'll put it on their tab. So yeah, man, let's go eat.